And welcome back. Djokovic readying the serve against his toughest opponent to date, a World War II M1 England team.
Such a good thrilling action.
Straight off road, not so much like that. No, this tank's not traditionally designed to play tennis. Wow, what a turnout. Great attendance. Some said inviting a sentient tank to play tennis would ruin the sport. I agree.
Mission not accomplished!
I mean, seriously, how does anyone find that funny? If you laughed at it, there's something seriously wrong with you.
You lost your darn mind. You don't need a tank engine to play tennis. That is absolutely not realistic, and that's when some people are charged with a crime. And that's why you need a serious criminal attorney that knows the criminal system to fight for your case. Call now. Or go to 1-800-CRIMINAL.com for a free consultation. And let us help you with your criminal cases. A law firm that is partnership with PBS Kids.